How to log out or sign out Trust Wallet account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log out of your Trust Wallet account. So without further ado, let's begin. Open Trust Wallet application on your device and log into your account. After that, you need to enter your passcode and then tap on the gear icon at top left from the home screen. Now from the settings section, choose wallets at top of the screen and choose your main wallet. Now tap three dots next to it. You will land on the section where you will see secret phrase backup. You need to make sure that you have backed up your recovery phases before proceeding. Without this, you will lose access to your wallet and funds permanently. So first, let's backup. Now tap on the trash button at top right corner of your screen and to delete, tap delete and you'll successfully be logged out of your Trust Wallet account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.